Welcome to the Chuck Williams Culinary Arts Museum at the Culinary Institute of America at Copia in downtown Napa. This collection of more than 4,000 culinary artifacts celebrates the craftsmanship, beauty, and diversity of cookware and kitchen tools. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Turbotiere. This copper and brass Turbotiere pan is from France and dates from 1950 to 1970. Turbotiere pans were designed specifically to poach a whole turbot, a type of flatfish. Poaching pans such as these were commonplace in French homes in the 19th and early 20th centuries. Within the pan is a perforated insert that holds the fish. When the fish is done poaching, the cook can lift the insert and leave the poaching liquid behind. This perforation is crucial to the cooking technique as it makes it possible to immediately remove the fish from the cooking broth the minute it is done. It also allows for a beautiful presentation of the whole fish. The delicate fish can be gently removed from the Turbotiere and placed on the plate, with the fillet still intact, the head still attached, and the fins lying flat. Whole poached fish is a classic of French cuisine, and many cookbooks have extensive recipes dedicated to the subject. In the essential cookbook, Le Guide Culinaire, by Auguste Escoffier, written in 1903, he suggests that turbot be cooked by a court bouillon. This translates literally as brief boiling, but it is also known in the culinary world as poached in broth. Escoffier recommended cooking the fish in a poaching liquid of water, salt, milk, and lemon peel. It was recommended to serve the poached fish with a bit of melted butter and a garnish of parsley. This Turbotiere was manufactured by Mauviel, a global leader in copper cookware. The company was founded by Ernest Mauviel in 1830 and continues to remain a family business. He began production of his cookware in a Normandy village with a long history of copper manufacturing called Villadieu des Poêles, also known as the City of Copper. Copper conducts heat well and therefore was the preferred metal of cookware for decades and still dominates much of the Mauviel catalog. Mauviel has since expanded to include materials such as steel, cast iron, aluminum, and stainless steel. Turbotieres like this one are still available today, but mostly replaced by stainless steel sauté pans in the modern kitchen.